Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add to cart button through WooCommerce. Now we're going to go through a website because of course I've got problems with WooCommerce in the UK. We're going to go through a trusted source, which is the website itself. Now to start off, you will need to download the custom add to cart button, which is a zip file that you find in your WooCommerce account. Now to start off, you will need to verify your email and your phone number, and you got to make sure that your store is up and running. Then you're going to go into the admin panel and you're going to add and upload your plugin, which means that when you go into the WooCommerce extension, which is within the WordPress, you can create a rule based on the custom add to cart. Now what that means, then you can font it, do whatever you like with it, and in that way when you add something to cart, it will look differently to anything else in your store. You can transition the cart button, you can make it sweep to the left, sweep to the right, you can make it seem as fancy as possible, but of course make it as simple as possible for users to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.